Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Alex.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Is this your first day?
Yes, it is.
Welcome to the office.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from America. And you?
I'm from the UK. What do you do, Alex?
I work in marketing.
Nice. I work in finance.
Everyone is very friendly here.
Yes, they are. Let me show you your desk.
That would be great. Thank you.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please.
Milk or sugar?
Just milk, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee every day.
Me too.
Is this cafe busy?
Yes, in the morning.
Do you come here every day?
Yes, I do. I like this place.
Yes, it's nice and quiet. The coffee is good.
Yes, it is. Shall we go back to work?
Yes, let's go.
Which floor?
The third floor, please.
Here we go. How is your day so far?
It's good. Very busy. Is it always busy here?
Yes, but I like it.
The office is very nice.
Thank you. This is my floor. Nice to see you. Have a good day.
Nice to see you too. Have a good day.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Emma.
Do you need help?
Yes, please. Where is the milk?
It's over there.
Thank you. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I cook at home.
Me too. This place is big.
Yes, it is.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Do you take the bus every day?
Yes, I do.
Is it busy in the morning?
Yes, very busy. Where do you get off?
At the city center.
Me too.
Nice weather today.
Yes, it's very nice.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I do. It's relaxing.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live close.
It was a long day.
Yes, but a good day.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.